I planted a potato 3 years ago and then completely forgot about it. There is no irrigation plan, no weeding, no perfect soil mix, just a blossoming spark buried beneath some straw. Months later, I yawned the march to disclose a golden potato treasure chest. I came upon the no-dig potato method then, and it completely transformed my gardening life. Should you ever question how to raise potatoes without exhausting yourself, this is the narrative and approach that will have you to be successful. Most believe that potato cultivation entails healing up, deep planting, and soil tilling. The fact, potatoes really do not call for so much effort. They thrive in layers of loose organic materials, no shovel necessary. And the kicker is that you can perform it anywhere, in a bucket, a container, a bag, or straight on the floor. Your potato crop is possible if you can plow and forget about it. Why this works and why is it so simple? From seed potatoes or potatoes with eyes, potatoes emerge. The no-dig potato method allows you to put them directly on top of the soil and cover them with a heavy covering of straw, compost, or leaves instead of concealing them far down. The potato plants form more tubers just under the soil. You just harvest time. And there they are. Though they want warmer temperatures and a bit more time, this technique also works perfectly for how to grow sweet potatoes. Step-by-step instructions for using the no-dig potato method. Number 1. Select your container or planting location. This you can do on exposed earth, even on small grassy area. In an elevated bed. How to grow potatoes in a bucket using a bucket? In a container, how to develop potatoes in a container? Or how to grow potatoes in a bag? The beauty is that it works in any one of them. Second, get your seed potatoes ready. To select good seed potatoes, tiny ones or cut into pieces having at least 2 eyes each. To prevent rot, let cut pieces cure for 1 to 2 days before planting. This is where I need to know. Do you want to plant seed potatoes whole or cut them? Please write in the comments. Number 3, cover and lay. Lay your sweet potatoes directly on the surface or the soil. No digging. Cover them with 6 to 8 inches of compost leaves or straws. Keep the potatoes covered by adding extra top as the plant develops. Number 4, water and wait. Although potatoes appreciate even moisture, the soil will hold the water well, so you do not need to irrigate often. Potatoes need how long to develop? Early sort, they will need 70 to 90 days. Main crops, it will roughly need 100 to 120 days. Number 5, harvest without evacuation. Harvest season is when the leaves turns yellow and fade back. Instead of thrusting a fork at the ground, simply gather your green or your clean potatoes. The reasons people like this method is your back will be grateful if you don't dig heavily. No hour of struggling dirt for potatoes. excellent for city balconies for tiny yachts and higher use. The science behind no-dig potatoes. You might imagine potatoes sprouting far in the soil, but actually they grow above the seed piece in that light layer immediately below the surface. By laying that layer using much more than soil, you provide potatoes a airy, nutritionally rich habit. Moreover, as the earth decomposes over time, it will improve next year's harvest even further. Not just simple. The no-dig potato methods order our understanding of potato planting, although intriguing enough for seasoned gardeners to experience just to see. It's simple enough for a beginner gardener. It's affordable. And when you pull back that straw and notice a pile of golden sparks, it feels magical. Remember, gardening should be enjoyable, not exhausting. You may grow food if you walk off after throwing a sprouting potato under straw. Have you experimented with this? The million-dollar question is, if this strategy is so effective, why are more gardeners not employing it?